Hi, my name is Brian. I've been a Peterman heating and cooling customer since would be August 2016, about 18 months now. We purchased and moved in a new home down in Whiteland, and within about 2 weeks of moving in, we discovered that our HVAC system was failing. As it happened, in the house we moved into, there was a small magnet hanging on the furnace, and it said Peterman. Well, that told us they must have been at the house one time. Maybe there's a maintenance history that they've serviced our furnace before, so we called them up. We got a service technician out that same day, Bill Carpenter, and what sold us on Peterman immediately was we got a call ahead when he was coming. We got an email sent to us with his picture and a little bit of biographical information, so we knew who was going to show up at our door. He showed up, he was polite. He was wearing booties, which told us he was thoughtful about our house and respected our house. And then over the next couple of hours, as he was troubleshooting the system, he was very patient. He didn't charge me any extra to watch or to ask questions. And when Bill Carpenter came the first time and we knew we were going to need a new system, he also very politely, patiently, and professionally talked to us about being a Peterman preferred customer. And it was a bit of a no-brainer. In exchange for what I thought was a very reasonable, modest annual fee to know that I was going to get 2 HVAC inspections and 1 plumbing inspection a year. Just seemed like good preventive maintenance. I would, without reservation, recommend Peterman to anybody. In fact, I have to many friends and family when they've asked. I can't imagine getting better customer service or more professional customer service than what we've received in the 7 or 8 visits with Peterman who've been to our house for a variety of reasons. So very, very happy. We'll continue to do business with them for the foreseeable future.